How to convert a video into a live photo. Now you may want to convert a video into a live photo if you wanted to use the video as a live wallpaper. Now to do this we need to go and open up the App Store on your device. Now you used to be able to do this in the TikTok application, but you can no longer do this. So what you need to do instead is go and search for Into Live and press search. So you need to go and install this application here, Into Live Wallpapers. So give that a couple of seconds while it downloads to your device, and then we can press open. Go and select next, click on next again, and then press agree and continue. You can then click on the cross icon in the top left hand side. Now click on new project, select allow full access, and then just go and select the video that you want to convert into a live photo. You can then press add. Once this has been uploaded, click on the share icon in the top right hand side, click on live photo and press save to photos. So once it's finished exporting, we can open up the Photos application, and if you click on your most recent photo, you'll be able to find this live photo. Now because this is the free version of the app, we do have this Into Live text at the bottom. Now you can decide to crop this if you just want to click on the edit tool. You can then use the crop feature to go and crop out this text. And once you finish, just press done in the top right hand side, and that's how to convert your videos into live photos.